Welcome to Balanandam YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to discuss 3rd class English workbook, 2nd lesson, the recipe book, worksheets. Please do subscribe my channel. Worksheet number 2.1. Read the first and second paragraphs on page numbers and identify the 3-letter words and write them in the space given below. Here we have to write 3-letter words from the asked paragraphs. Who, his, got, day, one, big, and. Second one, write the missing letters in the following words. Hotel, O. Food, O. Dinner, N. Party, A. People, O. Third one, match the following with the same word. One is done for you. Here, both sides same words are given. We have to match them. Food, dinner, hotel, people, cook, and bed. Next, worksheet number 2.2. Read the 3rd to 6th paragraphs. Identify the 3-letter words and write them in the space given. Want, Raju. Here we have to write 4-letter words because he gave want, that is 4-letter word. Raju, cook, this, able, help, said, will, come, food. Next one, make meaningful sentences from the following table. Here a table is given. He decided to cook, to eat, to go, to sing, to drink, to help. Now we have to form some sentences using 3 words. He decided to cook. He decided to eat. He decided to go. He decided to sing. He decided to drink. And he decided to help. Next one, supply the missing letters to make them meaningful words. First one, opportunity. Here the missing letter is O. Suddenly, missing letter E. Fainted, missing letter I. Friends, the missing letter is E. Next, worksheet number 2.3. Read the 7th to 11th paragraphs on page number. Identify the 5-letter words and write them in the space given below. Now we have to write 5-letter words from paragraph 7 to 11. Knife, slice, ready, hello, begin, stove, etc. Next, second one, match the following with the same word. One is done for you. Here also the same words are given in the both sides. We have to match them. Knife, stove, knife, recipe book, friends, dinner, dishes. And next one, write the meaningful sentences from the following table. One is done for you. Here a table is given. Let's begin cooking, reading, writing, playing, eating, jumping. Now we have to frame some sentences by combining these words. Example, let's begin cooking. Let's begin reading. Let's begin writing. Let's begin playing. Let's begin eating. And let's begin jumping. Next, worksheet number 2.4. Read the 12th to 14th paragraphs on page number something and identify the 5-letter words and write them in the space given below. Here we have to write 5-letter words from paragraph number 12 to 14. After, hours, party, ready, knife and stove. Next, supply the missing letter to complete the words. Kitchen. In the first word, I is missing. Second word, T. In third, C. In fourth, H and E, H. Next, write 5 meaningful sentences from the following table. One is done for you. He looked at the recipe book, the board, the bus, the bicycle, the sky. Now we have to make some meaningful sentences by using these words or phrases. He looked at the recipe book. He looked at the board. He looked at the bus. He looked at the bicycle. He looked at the sky. Next, worksheet number 2.5. Reading comprehension. Read the following passage. Here, a passage is given. Once there lived a man named Raju. Like this, first of all, we have to read the passage carefully and then choose the right answers. First question. Who was the owner of the hotel? Answer, Raju. C. Second one. Raju used to dash food on bulk orders. Answer A. That is supply. Third one. Raju got dash for dinner party. A big order. Like this you have to write. Next. Worksheet number 2.6. Write as many words as possible using the letters of the given word. One is done for you. Here the word unfortunately is given. Now we have to make some words by using these letters in this word. Example 1. Ant. Here fun, late, for, neat. Here noun, for, fun, etc. Next, fill in the boxes with the names of the things we use in the kitchen. Now we have to write the names of things that we use in the kitchen. Here lunch box and bowl, cup, fork, mixer, and he has given stove. And next, worksheet number 2.7. Write plural form of the words given below. One is done for you. Sweet, sweets. Vegetable, vegetables. Stove, stoves. Friend, friends. Cook, cooks. Table, tables. Pot, pots. Hotel, hotels. Board, boards. Slate, slates. School, schools. And next one, identify the singular forms and circle them from the following words. One is done for you. Here some words are given. We have to circle the singular words only. Book, tree, vegetable, egg, teacher, school. These are singular words. Next, write singular form of the words given below. Now, some plurals are given. We have to write singular words. Books, book. Birds, bird. Colors, color. Boys, boy. Girls, girl. Stoves, stove. Rooms, room. Bags, bag. Slates, slate. Flags, flag. And now, worksheet number 2.8. Identify the personal pronouns in the given sentences and circle them. Now we have to identify personal pronouns and we have to circle them. First one, I am Sweta. I am a student of class 3. Here, I and I. Second one, Praveen is my brother. He likes me very much. Here, personal pronoun is he. And Kamala is my friend. She comes to school daily. Here, personal pronoun is she. And next, read the following sentences, underline the personal pronouns and write them in the given space. Here, I am Prasad. I am studying in primary school in our village. It has a beautiful garden. My class teacher is Kamala. She teaches English well. She has a son. He also studies in our school. Now, we have to underline the personal pronouns and write them in the space given. I, it, she, he. And next, worksheet number 2.9. Read the sentences given, keep full stops wherever necessary and rewrite them. Raju is cook. He has a small hotel. Everybody liked food in his hotel. One day he got a big order to cook dinner for dinner party. Here we have to put full stops wherever necessary. Raju is a cook. He has a small hotel. Everybody liked food in his hotel. One day he got a big order to cook dinner for a dinner party. Like this we have to put full stops. And next, write 5 sentences by using the following table. May I use your pencil, your pen, your eraser, your slate, your book. Now we have to frame some sentences by using these phrases. Example, may I use your pencil? May I use your pen? May I use your eraser? May I use your slate? May I use your book? Next, worksheet number 2.10. Reading comprehension. Read the paragraph. How to make tea. Take a bowl and pour some water in it. Add some tea powder and milk to the water. Put the bowl on the stove. Add some sugar to bring sweetness. Boil it for some time and filter it. Now the tea is ready to drink. Now answer the following questions. What is the passage about? The passage is about how to make a tea. Next, what items do we need to prepare tea? We need water, milk, tea powder, sugar, and a bowl. And next, what is added for sweetness? Answer, sugar is added for sweetness. Fourth question, what is added to make tea sweet? These two questions are same. Answer, sugar is added to make tea sweet. Third question, who takes tea in your home? My father and my mother take tea in my home. And next, read the lesson and answer the following questions. Who was the owner of the small hotel? Answer, Raju was the owner of the small hotel. Second question, why did people like the food in his hotel? Answer, people liked the food in his hotel because it was very tasty. Third question, what order did Raju get one day? Answer, Raju got a big order to cook dinner for the big party. Next question, who helped Raju to cook food for the big party? Answer, the recipe book and his friends. The pot, mixer, knife and stove helped Raju to cook. Fifth question. How do you help your parents in the kitchen? Here you have to write how you help to your parents in your kitchen. Answer. I help my parents in the kitchen by cutting vegetables and washing dishes. Next, checkpoint. Lesson 1 and 2. Read the passage. The thieves realized that Tenali Rama had fooled them. Like this, a passage is given. Now you have to write. First one, the couple filled the box with answer B, stones. The thieves got scared and ran away. C. Third one, I will give you the dash of punishment in the king's. Next one, supply the missing letters to make them meaningful words. Opportunity. O. Suddenly. E. Fainted. I. Immediately. A. Friends. I. Next one, look at the pictures and fill in the blanks with suitable nouns. Parrot, chocolates, dog, bouquet, biscuits. First one, the girl is holding a dash in her hand. Bouquet. Second one, the boy is eating a dash biscuit. Third one, it is a beautiful dash parrot. Fourth one, we like dash very much. Chocolate. Fifth one, this is my dash dog. Next one, read the given sentences. Keep full stops wherever necessary and rewrite them. Raji is cook. He has small hotel. Everybody liked food in his hotel. One day he got a big dinner to cook dinner for a dinner party. Now we have to write using full stops. Raji is a cook. He has a small hotel. Everybody liked food in his hotel. One day he got a big order to cook dinner for a dinner party. Like this we have to write. Please do subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.